Hi guys, it's Josh from World of Camping, and in this video we're talking about the Duke of Edinburgh Award and the items of kit that you might want to think about taking with you when you go. So in front of me I've got a range of products that we sell. I'm going to go through each one and do a little product breakdown and show you how useful they might be on your trip. So starting off, we've got the Roban Scaffold head torch. This is a 240 lumen head torch, so very bright. It's got 3 brightness settings and an SOS setting. So if you were to get into trouble, you can turn that setting on and someone will see the beacon flashing and they can come and help you. It's got a fabric head strap, so it's very comfortable, and it's just going to be really handy if it's dark or in the evenings in the tent. So a head torch. A chair. When you want to sit down at the campsite or at the top of a mountain, something like this, the Vango Micro Steel Chair. It's small, it's compact, and it's got a max load of 180 kilograms, which is 18 stone 12. So really good, and it's not going to take up too much space in your bag. Moving on to sleeping then, a self-inflating sleeping mat is really important. This is the Trek 3 Pro from Vango. It is a single self-inflating sleeping mat. It is 3 centimeters thick. I've actually slept on one of these, and I'm about 6'4", and it was extremely comfortable. We do sell doubles. We have a huge range of self-inflating mats. So if you are interested in something bigger, visit our website. It's on my jumper here. But this is a great option. Moving on to some smaller things then, a compass. A compass is really important for doing your Duke of Edinburgh for map reading, but also if you were just going on a general hike or trek somewhere that you didn't know, and just to be safe, having a compass with you is really important. So this is the Easy Camp Adventure Compass. It has a small magnify section for reading ordnance maps, as well as measurements up the side, and a lanyard for your neck, so you could just wear it around your neck all day and you're not even going to notice it's there, so that's really good. Ordnance maps then. We sell a huge range of ordnance maps for all parts of the UK. If you check our website, chances are we'll probably have the area where you're going to be doing your camping or your hiking, and learning to read maps is part of the Duke of Edinburgh, so you can get yours from us. Moving on back to sleeping then, this is the Roban Spire 1 sleeping bag. It is a single mummy sleeping bag. This is going to be ideal really going into kind of springtime, due to its thickness. It goes down to about -1 degree Celsius for warmth, so it's going to be good as it's starting to get a little bit warmer. But again, if you go to our website, we have a huge range of sleeping bags, doubles, singles, mummies, whatever it is that you need, and depending on the time of year that you're going camping, but a really good option from Roban's there. Moving on to cooking then. This is the Vango gas stove. This is a small foldable gas stove that runs off butane gas bottles that screw into it. This is a great little thing. I have one of these personally. I use it in my camper van. I use it when I go camping. You can make your breakfast food. You can boil it water really quickly for tea and coffee, and it cools down super quick, and it's in a little plastic hard case, and again, not going to take up too much space in your rucksack, so a really good option. Safety then. Accidents can happen, especially when you're hiking. You're on uneven ground. You can fall, you can graze, you can cut yourself. So having something like the Summit First Aid Emergency Kit is a really good option. This thing is full of stuff. It's got a whistle, it's got a torch, bandages, alcohol wipes, plasters. It's got everything in there, and again, you could strap it to the outside of your bag with the Velcro strap, or you could just put it in there and it's not going to take up much space. And then lastly, we have the King Camp 45.5 rucksack. This thing is absolutely jammed full of pockets. All of the equipment I've shown you fits in here and still has plenty of space left for clothes and a spare pair of boots or whatever it is. It's got plenty of padding around the midsection and a chest clip, and it's just an ideal little bag for doing your 3-4 day hikes. But any other information about these products and the vast range of other products we have, just visit the website. But yeah, thanks for watching guys.